Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yusuf Shakeel, and in this video we are going to learn about spread operator. So let's get started. The spread operator, denoted by triple dot, helps us to expand or unpack iterables like array, string, or objects. So let's get started with arrays. Let's say we have two arrays, const ar1, and it has three elements, 1, 2, 3. And let's say we have another array, ar2, and it has three elements, 4, 5, 6. Now let's say we want to append array2 to array1. So there are different ways to achieve this. We can loop through array1, copy the content of array1 and put it into, let's say, another array, result array, and then we loop through the elements of array2 and then we copy that into the result array. So we can write something like, let result be an empty array, then we loop for 0 high smaller than r1 length I plus plus, then result dot push r1i. Then we can do the same thing, this time with array2, and finally we can console log the result, and we get 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can achieve the same result using the spread operator. So let me go ahead and comment this out. Now what we have to do is we have to spread or unpack array1 in result, and then we need to unpack array2 in the result, one after the other. So for example, if result is equal to array1 and we unpack the element inside array1, so we write something like this. If we run it, we see 1 2 3. And then after this we have array2 and we unpack the element of array2, so we get 1 2 3 from array1 and 4 5 6 from array2. So if we run this one, we get 1 2 3 4 5 6. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you will find my work helpful. Please feel free to subscribe my channel, help me reach 50k, and please don't forget to click that bell icon and like this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and like always, stay happy and keep smiling. Bye.